All right, traders, it is April 30th, 2017. We're looking at the gold stocks that I shared earlier. I believe there's about 10 of them. So AEM is a great stock, but it already went up 10% on Friday, so it really doesn't give us a clear entry. In other words, we're chasing it. So unless we get a good setup where we can purchase an entry here and use the 200-day simple moving average as a stop loss, we still have about a 9% downside here. So I guess because of, I think that the gold rally is just going to be short term here. I'm looking for trades that are more that would allow us to buy support and sell in the strength. So AEM is certainly on the list, but you just need to know of the risk reward ratios here. Let's take a look at AGI. AGI is nice. We're here along this base of support and this pin here. Looks like we have about about 5% downside, 14% upside that's here into the into resistance. AUI was nice. What I liked about AUI is that we are actually as of now, this is a higher low. And this last 3 sessions here has happened on expanding volume. So this is a big effort, little reward. May see some bullish absorption here, and that may result in prices rallying off of this base of support that's here. AUI is an interesting trade. EGO I like, as it's traded above both the 50 and 200-day simple moving average on expanding volume. Again, it went up 8% on Friday session, so we're kind of chasing this trade. So if we see a pullback, that would allow traders to buy around 350, buy closer to the mean of these moving averages. That may be a good entry. FNV here. FNV is holding these the moving averages here. We have a lower trend line that's here, so we're just slightly overbought relative to that trend line on expanding volume. But that expanding volume here also accounts for the selling pressure that's here. So we may have some compression, but this wasn't one of the ones that really I found attractive. GFI, so GFI we have, obviously there's a lot of supply that happened here, but still there's an ongoing expansion of the volume here, very little ease of downward movement. The price spreads are narrowing. Looks like there's some bullish absorption. We have an opportunity to buy support. GFI is probably one of the more attractive trades I think that there exists right here from a risk-reward standpoint. Again, this is buying fear and then selling in the strength. This isn't a trade I'd hold on for a very long time. CG, I didn't really like, but I mean, here you are. So if it holds 1375, 1350, that may be a trade. But again, you can appreciate that volume's expanding. Prices, we're breaking down, we're having a supply, but there may be some bullish absorption that's present here. This one I think I like just because it had a clear level of a support, and it looks like this is our preliminary support here, and we're actually trading above it. So generally that's what happens when a stock is on a pivot. So when they're actually going through a selling climax or stopping action and we're backing back up, this key session usually is confirmed as support before it rallies. So I do like this if it holds this trading range. I just don't have any upward price objectives. Same thing here. So I think HMY gives traders an opportunity to buy support and sell in the resistance, and we have good liquidity, and the price point here is pretty low. So pretty good potential for good yield return. Sorry. And then lastly here, we have IAG. I'm not a big fan of this one, but this is something I found attractive, is that we have this huge demand here on this big candle, and it looks like we've actually just confirmed it here. So we do have buyers above this level, and we are holding this level. So I would say as long as Friday session is maintained above 4, this is an opportunity to buy support here and then sell in the resistance. KCG. KCG is another one. I think we had some volume expansion here, very little ease of downward movement. We may be confirming this prior resistance here as support, maybe rally back into the 200-day simple moving average. NIM I think is a little bit more Newport mining, Newmont, I apologize. I think this is a little bit more organized, and I like this trade actually. And we really can appreciate the expanding volume and the decreased ease of downward movement, and these lower wicks here that suggest that there's buying here. So of the trades, this is one of the ones that I like. And actually, I think I have some price objectives on this that are posted elsewhere. I have to find them for you. But I like this trade above $33. RGLD is, I think, another one that I like. just uses 50-day simple moving average as support. And then SBGL was one of the ones I highlighted. And this one, very clearly, we can see that supply is having a very difficult time overcoming demand. Volume is expanding. This really looks like bullish absorption. We could very well see prices rally back up and maybe attempt to test the 200-day simple moving average, at least $10. All right, we'll see. So those are some quick picks that may be or may provide a good opportunity if we do see gold rally. All right, good luck, guys.